As we say in Vietnam, Xin chào. If you are packing your bags right now, thinking about Vietnam, let me guess, you are packing shorts, sunglasses, and sunscreen, imagining hot tropical paradise, right? Well, stop right there. You are coming to Huế in January. The first thing you need to pack is really good raincoat. And my name is Ngọc Linh, a junior from the Department of International Studies here at the University of Foreign Languages. Welcome to the start of your 6-month journey. And today, I'm just not going to tell you about rules. I want to give you the insider's guide to becoming a real local in our city. Focusing on three things: the classroom community, the TED holiday rush, and the street survival skills. And now, let's talk about academic culture. Forget the email. Here, the classroom runs on Download. Download is now to join our class, group chats for slides and announcements. Also, miss the monitor. They are the essential bridge between you and professors. Sick or confused, ask the monitor first. Regarding professors, we value harmony. If you want to challenge a point, always start with "Em thưa thầy, em thưa cô." It means "Dear teacher," and frame your disagreement as a clarifying question. And next is our Lunar New Year. The golden rule is the first food. Never visit a Vietnamese home during the first 3 days unless explicitly invited. As the first guest determines the family's luck for the year. If invited, it's an honor. You'll likely receive a red envelope. This is Lizzie, and here is tip. Receive it with 2 hands, both lightly, and never open it in front of the giver. It's about the blessing, not the money. And finally, I want to talk about the street. Traffic looks like chaos, but think of it as a river. To cross, just be predictable. To cross, just be predictable. Go slowly, keep a steady pace, and don't step back. The motorbike will follow around you. And for food, you are in the culinary capital. You must try bún bò Huế and our specialty salt coffee. The mix of salty cream and bitter coffee sounds weird, but trust me, it is addictive and unique to our city. To wrap up, pack a raincoat, download Zalo, respect the hierarchy, and be brave enough to cross the street. Vietnam is not just a place you study, it is the place you feel. And by the time Vietnam is not just place you study, and it's a place you feel. It might be rainy, it might be loud, and the food it might be spicy. But I promise you, by the time you leave in July, this place will feel like the second home. And we can't wait to meet you in the airport. safe travels, and see you in Huế. Thank you.